Today, we're going to be talking about how to fix your relationship and your sex life at the same damn time. But before we get into it, I want to send you another reminder to get on my email list, Golosa Gossip. Golosa Gossip is my weekly email series where I empower mujeres to get in touch with their bodies, own their own pleasure, and where I teach you all the cochinadas that our abuelas didn't teach us about. You're going to want to get on my email list in the month of May 2024 because that is how you will enter yourself into win a self-pleasure package simply for getting on my email list. So go ahead and do that now. The link is in my bio and the link is in the show notes. Now, let's get into today's episode. How do you fix your relationship and your sex life at the same damn time? So here's the thing. You want to work on your relationship before you start focusing on sex. But the reality is that sex doesn't have to wait. You want to wait on fixing the sex because you think a better relationship automatically equals better sex. But I'm here to tell you, there are plenty of happy couples who have shitty sex lives. And I know because they asked me to coach them. The truth is, your relationship is likely suffering because of your shitty sex life. Your relationship is likely suffering because of your shitty sex life. So, if you want to enhance your relationship, focus on the problem, which is your sex life. And you know your sex life is shitty if you aren't having sex regularly, whatever that means for you. You aren't excited about having sex with your partner. You're making excuses as to why you can't have sex tonight. Or you aren't having your mind blown on the regular. And when you have your quickie call, the link is in the show notes, the link is in my bio, we will create a personalized pleasure plan that will solve your unique sexual problems. So book your quickie call because you want a personalized pleasure plan. I keep saying pan, I mean plan. The solution to your unique sexual problems. Okay, the personalized, my goodness, pleasure plan is the solution to your unique sexual problems. You'll bring this plan to our one-on-one coaching sessions, and we'll have a tangible way to measure your progress. So I want to share what one client had to say after her quickie call, right? Had the quickie call and she emailed and said, "Our quickie was amazing. And yes, you were right. We left the call with a solution. I took your advice and wow, did it work?" And the little emoji with the stars. I wish y'all could see that. I felt more confident and sexy than I have in a long time. So come join me for 3 months of spacious one-on-one coaching support. We'll spend every week addressing your sexual concerns, giving space for your relationship with your partner and yourself to flourish. And when you enroll in one-on-one coaching by May 30th, 2024, you will receive lifetime access to Operation Orgasm, my independent study course teaching you everything you need to know about having mind-blowing sex on demand. Operation Orgasm gives you the opportunity to focus on your relationship and your sex life at the same damn time. So book your quickie call now because you're ready to enjoy sex sin vergüenza. The link is in the show notes. The link is in my bio. The investment for 3 months of private and personalized one-on-one coaching support plus lifetime access to Operation Orgasm is 3 payments of $1,000 or 1 payment of $3,000. And you can enroll by booking your quickie call. The link is in the show notes. The link is in my bio. And a last reminder, get on my email list, Golosa Gossip, by May 30th, 2024, because that is the only way that you can enter yourself into win a self-pleasure package.